Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be colouring in this picture. I've printed it off on mixed media paper and I'm going to be colouring it in using my Illustrator Spectrum Noir pens. Thanks to everybody that bought me a coffee. I have got quite a nice set of those and I've got a little stand to put them in, which does make it a little bit easier for me to use them. Again, thank you for anybody that bought me a coffee that contributed towards those. Really appreciate it. I'm going to then use this picture in a project that I've got going on in my other studio, which is my resin studio. If you'd like to get hold of my Mythical Creatures colouring book or any of my colouring books, they're dirt cheap. I will put the link to them in the description below. Some of this video I'm going to be talking and other parts I'm just going to be drawing and I'll speed it up. Now, for some reason, I don't have a black, but I'm going to use the Sharpie as a black, and I'm not going to stick to the proper colours with Anubis and Horus because I just don't want to. I'm not very good at keeping within the edges of these things, but I'm sure you're not going to moan at me for that. That you get in Egypt are not actually shaded. They are virtually just one blank flat colour, and that is what I plan to do here. And the great thing about these is they are double tipped, so if you need to do a little bit of fine work anywhere, you can just go around the edges with your little tip rather than using the brush marker. I do like these pens. And if you want to use any of my images in my colouring book for anything, then feel free to go ahead. You know, if you want to use them in your own work, then that's fine. If you use them in videos and things, just give me the credit for them, and I'm really appreciative for that. And link where you got them from. Someone asked me when I've used these before, are they awkward to hold? And do you know what? They're not. The shape is somehow really comfortable. It allows you to put your finger in and gives you really great control. I was quite surprised because I thought, oh, that shape don't look very comfortable to hold, but it is lovely. And the great thing about these colouring books is because they're downloadable images, you can download them. Once you've downloaded them, you can print them off as many times as you like on as many different things as you like. I've printed them on acetate, I've printed them for stickers, I've printed them for t-shirts. In fact, I've got a sublimation t-shirt using the Cricut infusible ink pens coming up using these images soon. And once I get my CNC machine and my laser engraver, I'm going to hopefully use some of these images to create some laser engraving, and that's what I'm saving up for at the moment for anybody that buys me a coffee. It's a 3D printer, a laser engraver and a CNC machine, so I'm quite excited about that. That is going to open up so many different projects for me on both channels.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, I'll be okay till the sun goes up, yeah. For a little moment, just hold me closer. I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay, if you stay, if you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away. Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head. Cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand. And I'm too deep into in this gamble. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I'm trying to.
Well, there we go. That's finished now, and I'm really pleased with how that's come out. I'd love to know what you think in the comments. It was just a quick colouring video to show you that Spectrum Noir pens really colour quite well, and also that how to colour one of my colouring books pictures. But you don't need to follow what I've done. You could do it any colour. Now, I am going to cut this out, and I'm going to be using it in another project on my other channel, which will be fun and interesting to do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that little notification bell. And if you'd like to buy me a coffee, just to say thank you and help me save towards my 3D printer, then the link for that is in the description below. Take care. Enjoy your crafting. Bye.